With almost half of direct restorations being Class 2s, the success of each procedure is important to your practice. Today, we'll be looking at a small Class 2 restoration on number 20 DO adjacent to a number 19 MO amalgam filling. We'll also be reviewing how to optimize each step within a Class 2 to protect the most vulnerable interface and achieve efficient aesthetics using Dentsply-Cox's portfolio of Class 2 products. While waiting for the onset of 4% Articutin anesthesia, Dr. Goodchild starts with the Paladent Plus sectional matrix system. He places the Paladent Plus ring on first to create separation between the teeth and facilitate placement of the wedge guard. After removing the ring, he places the Paladent Plus wedge guard interproximally. This ensures he doesn't damage the adjacent tooth with the burr, allowing him to prep more quickly. The guard then detaches, leaving the wedge in place. Notice how the guard absorbs the damage from the burr to protect the adjacent tooth. Next, Dr. Goodchild uses a Paladent Plus matrix band and ring to isolate the restorative area and create a tight seal. He then slides the wedge in through the V-shaped target on the ring tines. You can see that this seals the gingival margin. Now, Dr. Goodchild verifies and burnishes the contact area. He confirms that the wedge is not interfering with the contact area and that the matrix band is tight against the proximal line angles. Also, the band does not move. It's secure and is in proper position to create a tight, accurate contact. After assessing the amount of available enamel, Dr. Goodchild utilizes a selective etch technique. The etchant gel is viscous, allowing him to trace the enamel margins while minimizing the chance of etchant dripping onto the dentin. After conditioning the enamel for 15 seconds, the gel is rinsed away and a gentle stream of air applied to the surface, taking care not to desiccate the dentin. Prime and Bond Elect universal adhesive is applied using a 20-second scrub to create a strong bond. He then uses the Smart Light Focus curing light to cure the adhesive. Its pen-style design makes it easy to keep the light parallel to the occlusal surface. Dr. Goodchild is now ready to bulk fill with SureFill SDR Flow. Dr. Goodchild avoids lifting the tip out of the material while dispensing, gradually withdrawing it once 4 mm has been placed. He then allows the material to self-level for a few seconds. Notice how the tight seal provided by Paladent Plus keeps the material in place, minimizing the potential for flash. The material is light-cured with Smart Light Focus. Its collimated homogeneous beam delivers a uniform cure at clinically relevant distances to ensure proper curing at the floor of the proximal box. Then the restoration is finished with TPH Spectra, which is available in low and high viscosity. Its powerful chameleon effect easily matches the aesthetics of the surrounding tooth color. The material is light-cured with Smart Light Focus. Now he's ready to remove the matrix system. Notice that the band is still snug between the teeth, maintaining its contact and contour throughout the procedure. After refining the occlusal anatomy with a burr, the next step is finishing with the enhanced system. More pressure is applied at the start to achieve intermediate finishing, followed by a lighter touch for final finishing. This results in a smooth, contoured surface. The end result is a restoration with great radiopacity, excellent cavity adaptation of the material at the floor of the proximal box, and accurate interproximal contact and contour. For additional Class 2 clinical techniques and insights, product samples, and demo requests, or to learn more about the Dentsply-Cox Class 2 Total Practice Solution, visit class2restorations.com.